Here is a nice property that we're currently working on. It's very well taken care of, has great bones, just needed some minor design changes. So we decided to change the way the fireplace looks to make it more cozy and inviting. This house has 2 fireplaces, one downstairs in the living room and one upstairs in the master bedroom, where if done right can completely transform the way that room feels. We wanted it to be a sanctuary where you can truly relax and replenish and have this romantic, almost spa-like feel to it. So here is what we did with the fireplace in the living room. Let me show you the progress with the one in the bedroom. By the way, these rails were hidden in the wall, so when we opened it up and saw this original staircase railing, it was an easy decision to keep them. This chandelier, on the other hand, needs to go. I'll make a video to show you the one that will take its place. I already bought it. I think it will be perfect for the ceiling and that gorgeous window. But let's get back to our fireplace update. I just love the style. Looks so fresh and elegant, right? I love seeing transformations like that. Going from this to that. White schlutters and white grout works perfect for this particular tile. Once the floors are installed and with proper lighting and wall color, this will look really good. I'm so excited to share it with you once it's all ready for a big reveal. By the way, let me know in comments which fireplace design do you like more, the one that has a sitting bench like we did in the living room, or the one upstairs that has tile from floor to ceiling. I absolutely love this property and so looking forward to creating a cozy space for the family that will live here.